Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your HP has a Bluetooth adapter and that the external device is charged and discoverable. Open Action Center with Win plus it to check Bluetooth and airplane mode. You need Bluetooth on and airplane mode off. Once done, press Windows key, type Bluetooth, and select Bluetooth and other devices to begin pairing. This gives you access to pairing settings so you can add a device. Make sure the target device is in pairing mode now so Windows can detect it. You'll click Add Bluetooth or other device, then choose Bluetooth to let Windows scan nearby peripherals. When you see the device name, select it. Sometimes Windows shows a PIN. Compare that PIN with the device and confirm on both sides because this verifies identity and secures the link. After you accept, Windows installs drivers automatically. Make sure to allow any permission pop-ups. If it says connected, test audio or file transfer immediately to confirm both data and you finish by setting the device's role in Bluetooth and other devices. Choose audio, input, or file transfer so Windows applies the correct profile. If pairing fails, first toggle Bluetooth off and back on, then restart both devices. This clears temporary Bluetooth cache and often solves discovery glitches. If problems persist, open Device Manager, update or reinstall the Bluetooth adapter driver, and remove the device entry to pair again. This sequence resolves most driver or configuration conflicts and gets you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.